weight and measurements. Okay, that is also called as a metrology. If I am not uh, incorrect, or if I am correct, you have studied about some of these parts in your physics in class 11th and 12th. Okay, then weight, what is the meaning of weight? It is a measurement of the respective gravitational force acting upon a particular body. Okay, already we know. Then it is directly proportional to the mass. Okay, means how much mass is there, how much area that particular thing is taking. Okay, that is directly proportional with the uh, to gravitational force. Okay, that weight is equal to mass. Okay, temperature, pressure, attitude, and altitude. Okay, latitude are not considered except in cases of very precise weight. Okay, means if like a very small weight is there, or like very fine weight you are taking, then you have to check the temperature, pressure, and all the environmental condition also. But if you are just talking with the very high weight, okay, so then like we are talking with our body weight, okay, so we will not just consider that. Okay, we just see weight of any person in Kolkata, or weight of any person in Bangalore, or like Kerala. Okay, we just we doesn't consider the environmental condition. Okay, but if you are talking with very fine material, then we have to consider that thing. Okay, then next is the measurement. Okay, weight is their measurement. Okay, there are different systems of weight and measurements of drug substances, but out of these substances, metric system is the internationally accepted system. And I think already about this you have studied in your chemistry and physics. Okay, metric system. Okay, international system, all things you already know. Okay, then metric system definition: it is the internationally accepted decimal system of weight and measurement in UK, USA. The FPS system is legal. Okay, so just that much you know. Okay, sometimes this is asked in Viva ki which system is like legal or internationally accepted. The metric system is there. Okay, this is some parts are like just very much important for objective questions. Okay, then it is one which is used in continental Europe. Okay, advantages: the units are divided into 10. Okay, tenth. Then unit of volume and lengths are related, and until of volume is compatible to the units of weight. Okay, like already we know, like distance nowadays, like we are talking many times. Okay, दो गज की दूरी. Okay, so this gaj was just used previously. Okay, like just gaj is elephant. Okay, elephant we know. Okay, so nearby दो गज की दूरी. Okay, so like that. So this was previously used. Okay, ancient time when there was no international system of nomenclature, but still it is, yeah, we are using, but it is not like that internationally. Okay, this like these things you will go and tell in America, or you will go and tell in Britain, then they will, it may happen they will not understand. Okay, so that it is not the internationally accepted. Okay, then advantages: the units are divided into the tenth, the unit of volume, and tenth are related, and unit of volume is compatible in the unit of weight. Then fundamental units: units of length, metric, meter. It is defined as the distance between two lines at 0 degrees Celsius, and platinum 90% and iridium, okay, 10% bar, known as a internationally uh, prototype meters. Okay, which is developed at the International Bureau of Weight and Measurement. Okay, this is very much important. Okay, International Bureau of Weight and Measurement in Paris. Okay, so just for your general knowledge, you can remember this organization, or International Bureau of Weight and Measurement is in there. Okay, just I have to take this phone. हाँ, hello. हाँ, हाँ, बदन. What key, na? हाँ, हाँ, I will give that things. Okay, so I will come after 30 minutes. Okay, you are in office. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, I will collect key from there. Okay. Hmm. Okay, then this prototype is there. So just you have to know कि this international Bureau of Weight and Measurement is in Paris, Paris. Okay, just for your general knowledge. Okay, the bar is shown by the arrows in the middles of the fingers. The meter is uh, this much times wavelength of the red cadmium line in air at 760 millimeter. Okay, pressure at 15 degrees Celsius. It is equal to about 39.37 inches and the written as IM. Okay, so these are the way of measurement. Okay, but just we don't need to go at that much. Okay, just we have to know the basics. Okay, in recent definition, a meter is the wavelength in volcano of the orange radiation of the krypton 86 atom. Unit of capacity liter, then liter already we know. Okay, normally it is the volume occupied by the mass in kilogram or weight water at 4 degrees Celsius. It is divided into deciliter, okay, centiliter, okay, all these things. So already we have studied about this deciliter, centiliter. Okay, then uses, it is used in measurement of liquid, since liquid occupies 1 cubic centimeter of the space in millimeter weight. Okay, occupies only thousands to the weight of the, and therefore equivalent to the cubic centimeter. Okay, so this already again revision. Then we have abbreviations. Okay, microliter is there. Okay, then milliliter is there, centimeter square is there. Okay, so all these things, international prototype meters are there. Okay, then its uses are there. Okay, it measures solid substances also. Okay, so metro litogram is there. Okay, then empirical system. Okay, empirical system is used in the Britain. Okay, so now this question is important because I have seen these things 2 to 3 times in your question paper. Okay, so empirical system or British system. Okay, remember this, applied to the weight and measurement used throughout the United Kingdom instead of those various ones which were commonly located local uses. Okay, then apothecary of system. Okay, that is called as a USA system. Okay, this is also important. Okay, this also I have seen in question papers. Okay, this apothecary or system or USA system. Okay, applied to the pharmacist before 1979 based on the Troy ounce. Okay, this was the unit of Troy ounce T.OZ. Okay, so this was used. We can discuss all these things again when we will just do the question papers. Okay, at that time again we can. Then metric system already we know this is the international system of nomenclature. Okay, these things at least you should know. Like empirical system is of Britain. Okay, then apothecary system is of USA. Okay, these are important for like your competitive exams, or that may be asked in your like Viva. Okay, then measurement of mass already you know. Okay, that 10 milligram is equal to 1 centigram, 10 centigram is equal to 1 decigram, 10 decigram is equal to 1 gram, then 10 gram is equal to 1 decagram. Okay, then 10 decagram is equal to 1 hectogram, 10 hectogram is equal to 1 kilogram. If you remember your school time. Okay, then measurement of capacity is same thing. Okay, 10 milliliter 1 centiliter, 10 centiliter 1 deciliter, 10 deciliter 1 liter, 10 liter 1 decaliter. Okay, then 10 decaliter 1 hectoliter, then 10 hectoliter 1 kiloliter. Okay, if you remember. Okay, then measurement of linear length also we know. Okay, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, and meter. Okay, already we know. Okay, so these are the things. Then empirical system in Britain. Okay, then these are used. Ounce is used. Okay, pound is used. Okay, then grains are used. Okay, these grains. Okay, grains is just important for our practical. Okay, we have discussed this earlier also. Then measurement of capacity and volume in Britain. Okay, pints are there. Okay, then fluid ounce is there, fluid drenchum is there, then minims are there. Okay, all these things are there. Okay, so these are used actually. Dr. Henneman was from European. Okay, European countries. Okay, that is Germany. Okay, and he practiced. Okay, all of his times in the France, Germany. Okay, then Britain. Okay, so that's why he used this empirical system of British empirical system. Okay, then relation of capacity and weight is given here. Okay, then measurement of capacity or volumes are there. Okay, then measurement of weight is there. Okay, then measurement of length is there. Okay, then tables of approximately equivalent adapted in the straining doses are there. Okay, These are not so much important, just it is given. Okay, like if you need any type of help from this part, okay, just go through this. Sometimes it happens you need some reference. Okay, so at that time you can go from this for these parts. Okay, then we have standard drop measurements are there. Okay, different type of how to measure the drops. Okay, normally we take, okay, just have you visited any hospital like saline water? Saline is just inserted on any patient's body, okay, by the like IV set. So have you seen anybody? Hello, anybody of you have seen like a hospitalized patient of any of your relatives whose like saline is going on? Like anything that may be normal saline, NS, RL, ringal lactate may be there. There may be DNS, 5% DNS. Okay. Dextrose sugar is there. Anybody has seen any hospital, or if you have any experience of hospitalization? Hello?
No, sir.
No, okay. So what happened when you have seen that saline? Okay, saline you have seen. Just this saline normally lasts for 6 hours. Okay, sometimes if very needed, like if patient is diarrhea patient and fluid is needed, then sometimes it is in very high speed. This saline is okay. So normally this saline, how they calculate this saline drops? Okay, so normally this saline drops. Just remember later on, if you will get in an internship, you will find. Okay, normally 16 to 17 drop, okay, is equal to 1 ml, 1 milliliter. Okay, 1 ml, 16 to just okay for your remembering, 16 to 17 drop means equal to 1 ml. Okay, and by that they calculate ki how much hours that will run. Okay, like if just per minute they are running, how much drop and how much time it will go. Okay, this nursing staff, they are very well in this, they know. Okay, if I will run per minute 5 drops, or if I will run 10 drops per minute, so how much time this 500 ml saline bottle will go. Okay, so that is important. Okay, when like, because saline everyone can give. Okay, it is not like for only MBBS. Okay, Ayurveda. Okay, ringer lactate. Okay, RL, normal saline. Okay, NS. Okay, then DNS, everyone can give. Okay, this is just your skill. Okay, and you can, if you will get any diarrhea patient, okay, with homeopathic management you can give all these things. Okay, so it is a not a case scheduled drug, this is just normal fluid management. Okay, then next is the okay, then okay, so this much is there. Okay, in this chapter one more thing is there, just I want to show that thing, that grains. Now where that is, the grains we have discussed before, grains yard is there here, 1 foot inch yard. Okay, grain, just here you see. Okay, 1 grain is equal to 0.0648 gram. Okay, this at least if you have book, you underline and remember, because this may be used in our practicals many times. 1 grain is equal to 0. Okay, this is okay, this part. Okay, if you can see, so this is the grain part. Okay, so 1 grain is equal to 0.0648 gram. Okay, so this, and many times this is asked in competitive exams also. Okay, so you have any doubt in this part? Anything? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay, so this is done. Okay, means if you have, actually this I don't feel any confusion you will get in this chapter. This is just a reference chapter, but that British and three things. Okay, this British system. Okay, and this American system and this empirical system. At least you have to know. I've seen short note in question paper. Okay, so now we will see next part. Okay, 2 minutes. Still we have time. Okay, so we will start one new chapter. Till here, previously what we have studied, you have any doubt, anything? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. So stop sharing. Okay. Then just we will start next chapter. Okay, we will just start because now it's not possible to complete this chapter. Just we have other more important chapter. Okay, I personally feel this chapter should be in fourth year. Okay, means like now in first year you study, then you forget because you don't have so much seriousness about this. Okay, means like studying. Okay, not just okay. Then in fourth year actually, if this should be there, I feel you will be more serious about this. Okay, because prescription, writing of a prescription is a legal document. If you write wrongly, you may go to jail. You have to give compensation to your patient, as in if they will put anything in consumer court. Okay, that's why I personally feel this chapter should be in fourth year. Okay, it is just my personal opinion. Okay, and one more chapter, that medico legal system. Okay, like legal importance of homeopathic pharmacy. These two chapters should be in fourth year. Okay, so that currently at that time you have a proper maturity and you can understand these two chapter, so that all these two chapter you can utilize properly in your internship. Then after that you can practice. Okay, so but it is in first year, that's why you use later on it as a reference, but this is very much important. Prescription. Okay, how to write a prescription. Okay, because if you just go and google, okay, or you will just see the different judgments of okay government, okay, related with most of the cases, okay, related with allopathic doctors, ayurveda doctors, or homeopathic or unani doctors, most of the cases are related with these prescriptions. Okay, how they wrongly prescribed or what, because this prescription pad is the legal document. Okay, this is the authority. Okay, so wrongly anything was prescribed. Okay, just I will give you one example. Okay, just this lockdown was going on. Okay, lockdown was going on, 2 months before. Okay, so one of the homeopathic doctor, what he did, because of lockdown, pupils are not getting what, alcohol. Okay, most of the places. Okay, so one of the homeopathic doctor, even he was not a proper practitioner, he doesn't have degree, he just reached an internship, okay, in a private college, and after internship he just practices at evening at his place. Okay, in internship you are not authorized to practice. Okay, remember this, it is just a provisional registration where you can just learn from a registered, properly registered medical doctor. Okay, it is not like that key you can practice. So he in village area, okay, from his college it was I think 5-6 kilometer away. Okay, so there he opened his clinic. Okay, and he was running. Okay, and just for like okay, money. Okay, what he did, he gave some homeopathic medicines. Okay, in very high dose, liquid. Okay, it works as alcohol, and one family's 5 to 6 people died because of consuming that alcohol, because that alcohol is not like a simple wine shop. Okay, its percentage of alcohol is very high and you cannot take in like very high quantity. Okay, so like that. And now uh, that particular doctor or like internship student is now in jail. Okay, of uh, one case is there, one section is there, means you are officially, means you doesn't have like any aim of murdering, but you murdered somebody. Okay, so like that. Okay, so that case was on him and now he is in jail. Okay, so this happens. Okay, just I have read in newspaper about all these things. Okay, so this happens sometimes. Okay, so just you have to, always person should have to know their limits. Okay, what is their limit. Okay, how much they can do. Okay, if you are crossing anything outside limit, okay, the legal things are very much very much you can tell, they create a big problem in our life. Okay, so be careful about that. Okay, prescription is very much, that's why related with the legal things of prescription, you are learning how many things and you are updating how many times you self, that is still less. Okay, it is not like that what we are studying in this chapter that is enough. Okay, time to time when you become a physician, okay, when you have a like registration, okay, properly you are a registered medical practitioner of homeopathy, okay, time to time also things changes, okay, as per the Government of India legal committee and from the Central Council of Homeopathy, and that you have to follow, okay, that you have to follow. Otherwise this is small things ignorance, okay, that will just create a big problem in life. Okay, okay, so just I want to tell you the importance of this chapter. Okay, now we will start this chapter. And please remember, okay, in internship you are not authorized to practice. Okay, many times students are confused. Okay, we passed. Okay, we passed. Okay, now we are free from anything. We got provisional registration. Now we can practice. Okay, it is not like that. Without getting a proper registration number, final registration. Okay, and even in some councils, if registration you have to renew every 3 year, every 5 year, you have to renew. Otherwise, you are again not legally permitted to practice. Okay, it is not of any use. Okay, you are just a graduate if you are not properly registered. Okay, you are just a graduate. Okay. Okay, abbreviation commonly used. Okay, you have seen in many prescription pads. What are the these are commonly used. Okay, abbreviations. The abbreviations are most useful in prescription. Okay, already we know writing, because if you will not understand prescription, at least doctor, okay, nursing staff and pharmacists, they should understand the abbreviations. Okay, who are like directly or indirectly connected with the medical science, they should understand the abbreviation. Okay, otherwise it will be a big problem. Okay. Abbreviations are most useful in the prescription writing. It saves the valuable time of the prescriber and gives the clear description of the pharmacist in very short space. Following is the mode of writing abbreviation notations in prescription writing. Abbreviations are given between which Latin or Greek words and their English meanings are there. Okay. And now what is the, now that you are not prescribing, what is useful, what is its use in your first year BHMS in, okay, its use is in homeopathic pharmacy. You will get 5 abbreviation. Okay, examiner will tell you to write Latin or Greek words name, and examiner will ask you to write its English meaning. Okay, so like abbreviation they may give. Okay, so I will just tell here some important abbreviations. Okay, and like some abbreviations which are important I will tell you. Okay, and which are like not important. Okay, means an important means which till now I have not seen in any question paper, or like which are not so much useful in the prescription pad. Okay, that we call as a not important. Okay, so you have to remember the abbreviations. Okay, these are means like a lot of abbreviations are there. Okay, it's Latin or Greek words are there, and English meaning is there. Okay, so this part we will see next class. Okay, now we have to stop here. Okay, any doubt till here? You have just go through these abbreviations, okay, and see. Okay, and try to find like till now anything you have heard, or like any prescription you got for your family members, your grandfather, grandmother, or anybody. Then you have seen these wordings or like these things. Okay, just go through once. Okay, so that, because at last you need to remember. Okay, and you have to write in your answer script. Okay, so till here, any doubt you have? Anything you want to ask? Anybody? Where's Ali Khan?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
बिहार में बाढ़ का हाल कैसा है?
सर हम लोग की तरफ बाढ़ नहीं आया है।
अच्छा, उधर बाढ़ नहीं आया है। हम्म। ठीक हो ना, मतलब बाकी उधर सब ठीक है?
यस सर, यहाँ सही है।
अच्छा, okay, anything, anybody has any doubt? Nobody? Amit? What, he left? Okay, then, okay, we will stop here. Okay, then tomorrow we will see. Tomorrow means like, okay, I will tell you about tomorrow. Okay, then next when this class will fall. Okay.